everyone, my name is Tommy, and I'll tell you the currency unit in the United States manipulates an essential role in our daily lives. We use it to buy goods like stores in the restaurant or many things like shops and stores. Yes, many things you can buy. In the United States, there's many things to do and you can have fun. Yeah. We will learn about the different units of the US currency include the dollars and the cents. The dollars and the cents are extremely important, and today we are learning about it. Now begin with one. The main unit, the dollar, paper bill, banknotes. Yes, it is a banknote and a paper bill. Yes, it is dollars too. So let's begin with bills. One bill is Washington, and bills belong to George Lincoln, and 10 bills belongs to Alexander Hamilton, and 30 bills belong to Jackson. Yes, and 50 bills belong to Hamlin, and 100 bills belong to Marion. Yes, those people are very important in history. Yes, and now the smaller unit is the cent. Yes, the cent. 1 cent equals a penny. 5 cents equals a nickel, and 10 cents equals a dime. 25 cents equals a quarter. Yes, and 50 cents equals a $half. Wow, $half! I can believe that. One coin is and a dollar. Yes, it's not a $half. It's a dollar now. Yes. Simple and abbreviation. In science, many population are dollars. Yes, those are the simpler to the amounts in the bill and the cents. Yeah. 4. Fun facts about the US currency. Now, play a game for this world. And let's get played and get started. You'll get surprise for this channel. This is a cent, and a cent is very good. Important. A cent is equal a penny. 1 cent equals a penny. Yes, and 5 cents equals a nickel, and 10 cents equals a dime, and 25 cents equals a quarter, and 50 cents equals $half, and 1 coin is a $1. It's not a cent at all. Yeah. And now get the dollar. Okay, dollars is, I don't have the dollar, but I can cite it to you. $1 is George Washington. $5 is Lincoln, Alexander Hamilton, and then $20 equals funny. Yes, and then 100 cents equals money. Yes. So now conclusion. Today's conclusion. One question is how many cents are there? You can tell it. There are 6. Yes. 1 cent, 5 cents, and 10 cents, and 25 cents, and 50 cents, and 1 coin. Yes. Those cents are the smallest unit, and the bill is bigger than the cent. You know that? I love cents. Okay, goodbye everyone. See you next time for my previous channel. And bye bye. See you next time.